Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Word and picking blank or a template that matches your goal. Set proofing language and enable auto-save to OneDrive so work is protected. Next, change page size, margins, and the default font so you don't reformat later. Now place the cursor and start typing a clear headline. Use Enter to separate paragraphs. Once done, save with Ctrl+S and name the file. These initial choices prevent rework and keep your document consistent. You'll now create a readable structure by applying styles like Heading 1 and Heading 2 so navigation works and formatting stays consistent. Use bold and italic for emphasis, set line spacing to 1, 15 or 1, 5, and convert points to bullets or numbered lists for clarity. Insert images or tables where needed and set wrap text to square or tight to integrate visuals. Make sure to use the ruler and grid lines to align elements. This control saves time when adjusting layout later. Finish by running review tools, spelling and grammar, and use read aloud to hear flow and catch errors you missed. Check accessibility and export to PDF when sharing. Set print options like page range and duplex if needed. If formatting breaks or styles behave oddly, make sure the document isn't in compatibility mode and, if necessary, reset the normal. DOTM template to clear corrupted defaults. One quick troubleshooting tip. Reopen Word in safe mode to isolate add-in conflicts. This often solves mysterious behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.